Hi. I have quite a lot of compliments from people in regards to my eyelashes. They are very natural looking and they feel very, very comfortable. And who makes them? Youthphoria. The most beautiful range of eyelashes that you can wear. You apply a thin line of eyeliner, which is a magnetic eyeliner, and these eyelashes have like 6 little magnets going right across them which attach themselves to the eyeliner. I'm going to show you how I apply them. We're back. Now we're going to apply my eyelashes. Well, actually one's on and I will show you how to do the other one. Here's a nice thin line of eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner, and these are the eyelashes I'm going to put on. Eyelash, nice and thin. Perfect. And now we have these little tongs that we pull the eyelashes off the magnet that holds them in this little container. Turn it around. Now I start from the middle and then I work my way around the eyelash. Just makes it quicker, and done. Don't they look beautiful? Youthphoria. Love their range. Well, they're beautiful. That's the name of these ones.